Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a function that will add the sum of three given numbers using PHP programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers, silent viewers, and fan of my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my videos, if you are new with my channel and then you like these videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Sir Raymel, Tom, Sir Marshmallows, Sir Daven, and Ma'am Robilin. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly leave your name in the comment section of this video tutorial and then say shout out. So let's begin. We have here now in my Sublime Text Editor, we have here opening tab in PHP, and then we are creating a function addition, and then $A, $B, $C are the three passing parameters. Now we have here a comment creating a function in PHP. Begin. So $sum equals A equals $A plus $B plus $C. The sum of $A, $B and C is sum, and then the title is addition of three numbers using functions in PHP. We have here new line in HTML, and then calling a function, we simply type addition, and then we pass three parameters 2, 4, 6. So the sum is 12 and then we close. Okay, so before we run the code, make sure that the Apache web server is running here in your sum. Okay, so I will open the browser and then I will refresh. So the addition of three numbers using functions is the sum of, in PHP, the sum of 2, 4, 6 is 12. So if I will make some changes here, let's say 1, 2, and 3. So when I refresh the browser, we have 6. The sum of 1, 2, and 3 is 6. That's it. We were able to create addition of three numbers using a functions in PHP programming language. Okay guys, so don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the free source code at jkrpomperada.com and then jkrpomperada.blogspot.com. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.